Still ahead on NewsNation Prime, a family suing social media giant Meta for their daughter's depression and eating disorder, claiming Instagram has a means to stop the cycle, but it doesn't want to hurt its bottom line. The attorney on the case, next. Take a look at this, an entry from the personal journal of a 12-year-old girl, Alexis Spin. She wrote this just 4 months after getting her first smartphone. You can see where she drew herself next to her phone with the words stupid, ugly, fat. Those same words also appear on her computer and reflected in her thoughts. Her parents say that Alexis's deep depression was caused by Instagram, that Spin's family claims the app fueled addictive behaviors in their preteen daughter, including an eating disorder, self-harm, and thoughts of suicide. And now they're taking their fight to court. Here with us now to take a closer look at this case is attorney and legal analyst Sandra Spurgeon. Thank you for being here with us. This case gives social media so much power, essentially calling it a drug, that we become helpless under its spell. Is that true?
I think that what Congress saw during and what the public saw during the congressional hearings, the charts, I think that Instagram, Facebook, Meta, they have tracked the data to show that statistically that is the allegations are correct. 1 in 5 teens, as particularly upon review of Instagram, say that they feel worse about their bodies and have worsening body images. So I believe statistically that part of the case has already been proven.
Should Meta be sued for this? We know the company uses algorithms to attract users, or is this a problem with the social media content itself? Who is to blame here?
Well, all I can tell you is that there is the Communication Decency Act, and it was enacted in 1996 when no one was really looking, right? And before social media blossomed into the $100 billion industry that it is worldwide today. And it essentially has determined or holds that social media platforms can't be held responsible for content. So what the lawyers have done in this litigation, they're targeting the algorithms in which directs as the more often or the more times that a teen or an individual is looking at that particular site, that more frequently those ads or those social media sites come up.
Yeah, but I think a big question so many viewers are probably asking right now, where is the parent in this? Where are the kids? Where's the parents' responsibility in this?
Well, you know, when I first started looking at this, I thought the same exact thing. I'm the mother of 2. But what the attorney for the Spence family has artfully done they've laid out a pattern that no matter what the parental controls were, is that they banned the child from taking her phone into the bedroom. They limited it at home, but they went one step further in showing the impact and the influence, because when this young girl was going to school, she then began accessing Instagram at school while her parents couldn't be there, couldn't control what she was viewing or what she was seeing. So I think that the impression is that it's beyond the parental control. Where there's a will, there's a way, and you've got $100 billion industry that has statistical knowledge that there's harm being caused to these teens that's doing nothing about it.
Well, how much do you think that Meta should be throwing out for someone dealing with this type of behavior?
Well, we aren't going to get there for a number of years, if the plaintiffs get there at all. I mean, the 2017 lawsuit, in which gives just a little crack in the door for the Spence family, is the Lemon versus Snap case, in which Snapchat had a filter that that's alleged to encourage speeding. So now we're in 2022, 5 years later, they are still battling at a very basic level as to whether immunity applies. So we are several years out before a final determination would be made.
Sandra Spurgeon, thank you.